Hey folks, Bill here from Survivalware. Thank you for joining me today. I have another video for you. I know we usually do reviews on Wednesday videos, but we're going to drop this one on Sunday, right ahead of Memorial Day. So, I was at Tractor Supply earlier this week and found this GoFire Ultimate Survival Fire Starter Set. And the kicker was it was only, I believe it was $12.99 or it might have been $12. I can't remember for sure, but right one of those two. And that kit comes with, you can see a pocket bellows with a tube, a ferro rod with a striker, and these all natural wood wool fire starters they advertise. So I thought this would be a pretty cool thing to take home and do a video for you guys, do first impressions, and kind of look at it and see what it's about all together. So I've had mixed experience with GoFire products. I've had some of their fire starters that work really well. They're just ones you light the corner on fire and toss in the fire pit. They work really well. I bought some GoFire Stormproof matches, and I was less than impressed. I couldn't get the first match to strike, and I've been using like the same UCO Stormproofs for well over a decade now, and I've never had one not strike. So that first one not working really left a bad taste in my mouth, and I haven't tried it again because I wanted to stop, put it away, and we'll do another video on that at some point soon. So I do want to give this a fair shake and see how it does. Once we get it out, I'm going to test this Ferro Rod against some of my personal ones that I know work really well, and they're softer, so we'll see how it goes. You can see I haven't opened it yet, still taped up. Bring it up here for you guys to see it for a minute. You guys can pause there if you want to read. It's a 5/16 Ferro Rod. We got strikes in any weather, yep, corrosion resistant rod coating, striker blade with a sharpened edge. We'll see. That striker kind of looks dubious to me, so we'll see in a minute. We got the GoFire all natural wood wool fire starters. Ignites with a spark or flame. We'll test that. Burns up to 8 minutes. Natural shredded pine, water resistant paraffin wax coating. Okay. So, and then we got the GoFire retractable bellows, collapsible to 3.6 inches, and extended up to 19. I like that. It's kind of long, so. And it comes with the plastic case and lanyard tube. So, we'll crack this open and give it a go. That is the Dead Pine Knives Scoundrel. That, with all the strikers I've owned, knives with the 90-degree edge and such, this knife strikes a ferro rod better than anything I've ever owned. So that's why I brought it out. We'll test it against this just to see what kind of performance we're getting from that striker. So we'll toss the box over here for now. We'll start with the ferro rod. First off, that lanyard's just too short. You can see that lanyard way too short, so I'm just going to end up cutting that, even if you unravel it. Yeah, you guys can, I don't know if it's going to show up here. You can see, there we go. It's kind of serrated on both sides. No, it's not straight on there, just kind of punched. Yeah, these are punched, these are stamped right out of some sheet metal, so we'll see how it works. I'm dubious about it, like I said. Ferro rod seems strong enough, well built, 5/16, a good size, good purchase on the grip right here. I do like that it's orange. That was a big reason I bought it. So we'll set that down. Pop out these fire starters. Oh, does that peel up? Yep. Don't feel overly waxy. They are solid. We'll try one here in a minute, so we'll set that aside. Doesn't have much of an accelerant smell to it, so it might just be pine and paraffin. So I'm curious to see how that works. And let's bust this out. We'll toss that in the trash bucket. Open up this lanyard. I do like this as like a silicone rubber top right here. We do have Bellows. That is, I like that. That is about 19, 20 inches. So we'll test that out too when we get the Tinder lit. So with the Bellows, I think Bellows run about $14 on Amazon. I think that's right here. This alone so far makes the $12 worth it. I like the case. It isn't the brand, the Pocket Bellows by, I think it's, I forget who makes it now off the top of my head, but this one is well made. I like the case. I like the lanyard tube. I like the rubberized lid. So for my money, whatever happens from here, the $12 is worth it for that. So pull that out because we're going to try it once we mess with that Ferro Rod. Okay, I'm just going to shove out my pocket because it's kind of windy today. And we'll get to this. So we'll test it. Nothing that way, just like I expected. It's not terrible, but it doesn't feel like it takes anything off. It's just a kind of a rolled edge on that sheet metal here that's taking it off. That serrated edge right here did nothing, so I'm going to go ahead and just cut this off. And we're going to try it with the scoundrel. So cut that off, toss that string over here. I'm going to walk over here and grab the bellows I just dropped real quick, guys. Alright, we saw how this did, just for reference. We'll go one more time. This is the stamped out edge. Kind of works. This is that serrated edge. Absolutely nothing. So that's trash. That's about what I expected. So then we'll go. That's what we want to see. That's the kind of sparks we want to see coming off of a Ferro Rod. So the Ferro Rod with a good striker is very high. It seems like it's very high quality. So let's go over here in a spot. I like that. That Ferro Rod's actually pretty high quality. We'll see how the glue holds up, but I like that orange handle. Let's show. For an example, I'll grab one of my bayite rods real quick. You guys have seen this one in videos. It is bigger, but it performs. It's a softer bayite rod. So you guys see that? That little one is just as soft as this one. So I really like that. So without going any further and trying the fire starter, the bellows and the Ferro Rod make this $12 kit worth it, in my opinion. So if you know anybody looking to get into bushcraft or practice wilderness survival skills, I'd highly recommend this so far. Whatever happens with these tinders almost doesn't matter at this point, so we're going to take the knife right here. We're going to break this up a little bit. Trying to get us somewhere for our embers to go. While we do that, we're going to pull this apart because we're going to just mess with that bellow. I'm going to get that as fibrous as I can in there. Lots of loose stuff in there to catch when that spark hits. So we'll take it, plant it right down inside. There we go. Don't even have to use the bellows. We'll let that burn for a minute and see if it looks like it's going to last any kind of time. But we'll set this here. Set that. Wipe off our rod. I'll tell you what, guys. For $12, Ferro Rod is definitely worth it. The bellows with the case, let me grab it out of my pocket, is definitely worth it. So I am glad that this worked a lot better than the GoFire Stormproof matches did. Let me see if I have those sitting here real quick while that burns. I do. So here are the GoFire matches. And I'll show you guys what I was talking about. I saved it so we could do kind of its own video, which it'll get, but let's see if that focuses in. See, it just wore off that coating, and I tried striking it on the box multiple times. Like I gave it a good old honest try to get going, like, but it didn't work. So I will do a video on these here soon and show you guys what I was talking about. But as for the GoFire Ultimate Survival Fire Starter Set from Tractor Supply for $12, I'd say it's a buy. So there goes my tube. Oh well, stuff happens. But we'll leave that one in. That's a little blooper for everybody. But yeah, we got the Pocket Bellows, the Ferro Rod, $12 from Tractor Supply, the GoFire Ultimate Survival Fire Starter Set. Check it out. Go get one if you know anybody getting into bushcraft or wilderness survival. Even if you're just looking for a new Ferro Rod and a set of Bellows for $12 from Tractor Supply, can't beat it, guys. So thank you for this one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it helped someone out, and I'll see you in the next one. Till next time, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.